Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Crypto Bren here. I just wanted to do this video for you guys to learn the coin market cap, understand cryptocurrency, and I want to lead you guys in the right direction in learning this awesome opportunity to actually become financially free and quit your 9 to 5 job. So the market cap right now is at $266 billion, 61,102,043. So this is a very awesome um, opportunity for you guys to take massive action in. There's a lot of money being circulated in this market. It was at $500 billion, um, which was pretty sweet. Just to say that this is how much flexibility is going on in this market. So as you guys know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. It will definitely put your panties in a bunch if you're not prepared. If you have a lot of money in there and you buy a coin that's already pretty high. I know people that have bought Bitcoin at $17,000 per coin, and now look at it, it's at 7,000. So that right there just says a lot about this market. And I wanted to kind of let you guys know what's going on here. So everything that I've predicted, that I've seen on this in this market. Let's just do 1 month zoom. So right here you can do the zoom. I should have started this on the beginning on how you can do everything. So I'll kind of start over a little bit. For all the new people coming in, I kind of want them to understand everything. So if you go to coinmarketcap.com, this is the main page that has every single coin that is out of the ICO and that's already taking volume, and it's being traded in the crypto market. So this is just like a stock market as the New York Stock Exchange. And each coin, just think of Bitcoin like gold and Litecoin like silver, and these other coins like Bitcoin Cash is like a cash payment. So they're getting creative in these names and the logos, and it's actually really interesting. It's very exciting. Tether right here is actually just based off the US dollar. So they say that every coin of their cryptocurrency is backed by the US dollar. So it's always fluctuating from $1.99 or $1, but this is basically where people send their money to, if you're trading it back into USD. So if the market goes down, let's say you bought it at $10,000 and it's starting to go down, you would trade it into Tether, so it'd keep the dollar value. So that's just a little trick right there I just showed you. But to understand the cryptocurrency market capitalization, guys, you have to be able to learn how to read these, the charts. So it's very simple. Obviously, the numbers ranked from 1 to 1,594 cryptocurrency coins. The markets, so there's 9,873 markets alive in the cryptosphere. I'm still learning something new every day here. So just the general basics, cryptocurrency 101 to learn is for you guys to understand what Bitcoin is, the top 5 coins, even the top 10 coins, top 20 coins. Obviously there's a lot of volume going on in the market cap. So this is 120,840,545,924 market cap just alone in Bitcoin. So that just says there's a lot of money being traded back and forth in the market cap. So this is the price per coin, $7,130.64 per coin. And this is the volume every 24 hours being traded, buying and bought and sold. So there's 5,816,980,000 volume every 24 hours. So the circulating supply, meaning how many Bitcoins are actually being circulated, bought and sold, traded in the market. So this is saying that there's 16,946,662 Bitcoins. Okay, so there's only a limited supply of Bitcoin. So the amount of Bitcoin right here, let's just say there's 50 billion, or I'm sorry, 50 million. I think there's just 21 million coins topped off in Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken. There might be more. I may be wrong, but let's just say 21 million. So the price fluctuates on these coins not inflating like the American dollar. You know, we're printing money every day and out of thin air, and it's not backed up by gold anymore. So what's happening to the American dollar is that the dollar is going down, and the prices of things in the economy are going up. So there's more cash. The price of the actual dollar is becoming less and less every day, historical speaking. So that's basically what's going on here. There will be no inflation in Bitcoin because there's only a circulating supply that's being distributed forever. So there's only 21 million, I believe. So as we get closer to the 21 million mark, this price is going to be more valuable because there's only a limited supply. So the price of these coins will go up. And so that's kind of how it works with each coin. And if you see right here, so there's XRP, there's 39 billion 94,222,299 XRP. That means there's a lot more being circulated than Bitcoin. So if there's a lot more, like the American dollar, let's just say it resembles the dollar, there's tons of Ripple out there, the price is going to be low. Okay, this is probably some long-term, I'm not exactly sure what the cap is for the circulating Ripple is, but it kind of gets confusing. But I just want to give you guys a different aspect of kind of how you can look at it. It's just like the stock market. So the more people buying these coins are going to build the value of these prices. So if you bought right now at Ripple, see everything's in the red, right? Minus 10.43%. And this is the chart. If you click this, this will go to the chart. But right here, I just want you guys to understand what these basically mean. Okay? And you have to understand this with Bitcoin. Obviously, it's going off the price and the market cap. No, I'm sorry. It's going off the market cap, how much is being circulated. So obviously, Bitcoin is number one. It's the most circulated coin. Then Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, then Litecoin. So it's very exciting times, guys. It's still very, very new in the world. Not a lot of people are understanding it. Not a lot of people realize what the future holds for this. But banks and the government are starting to freak out, and they're kind of giving some false media coverage called FUD. If you ever heard anyone say FUD, that means there's some, the federal government is basically controlling the mass media. So it's giving a more negative feel, so no one invests in it. So they're trying to get ahead of the curve. They're trying to make some money. Obviously, Ripple is already a bank coin, so the financial department is investing in Ripple, and they're putting a lot of money in there, and they're trying to compete with Bitcoin. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, guys, that under the radar that we don't really see. So you got to really keep up with the news, and it's kind of a headache at times if you guys kind of get a little into it. So definitely just get a Twitter account, follow some very big Bitcoin influencers or other cryptocurrency influencers, and you guys will understand what's going on in the market. A really good news channel is if you download Telegram Messenger. This is the World Crypto News that I've been keeping up with, that is very, very, very valuable. There's 18,000 people here This is the follow the news from the world of cryptocurrency. Enjoy humor on the topic and learn how to get Bitcoins for free. I'll leave it down in the description below for you guys. Um, but this has given me really good information about the world and what's going on in cryptocurrency, new payment coming out, what certain terms mean like market order, limit order, if when you're trading your bitcoins, whatever, or for altcoins. And there's just a lot of other cool stuff. If you scroll up, what's going on in Amazon. So most customers would use cryptocurrency if Amazon creates one. So this is what's going on, guys. The mass majority of these big corporations are starting to adopt cryptocurrency. So if you think this isn't going anywhere and you're skeptical and you're like, oh, it's a big pyramid scheme or it's a bubble, you best do some more research, because there's actually a lot of actual big corporations like Amazon going to actually come up with their own coin for people to invest in, and you can invest in that coin and they'll give you special bonuses, discounts, whatever. And being creative here, it's really endless, and what the potential of what's going to happen here. And I don't think you guys understand the um, the severity that it's going to have on our lives. So I'm really excited. But getting back into it on the coin market cap, you got a lot of stuff here. So you got the coin market cap. You could do all coins, just coins. There's tokens, trade volume, currency, 24-hour volume rankings, monthly volume rankings, what's trending, gainers and losers, recently added. There's other tools like the global charts, historical snapshots, cryptocurrency converter calculator, website widgets. This is a good one to download, guys, if you haven't gone here. The calculator, I use this a lot, if because I'm dealing with a lot of other coins. I got people that want to buy and sell for me, so I'll convert it through other coins. So just pick any coins you want to convert. It's like Bitcoin into USD. How much is 0.1 Bitcoin worth right now? Is $700. Okay, 0.1, $70. So just like that, it's pretty easy to understand. Very good tool. So right here, if you're getting back into Bitcoin, obviously there's a bloodbath going on at -10. This is at 6:04 p.m. on March 29th. It is Thursday here in Raleigh, North Carolina, in the US of A. Very exciting to actually take this as an opportunity, guys. I know a lot of people that are freaking out. They're selling their coins. They don't know what they're doing. You see all this red? Holy crap, that just it hurts my bank account, yes, but at the same time, I could take this opportunity to buy these coins. So I want to just let you guys know how this basically works. I'm still learning as I go as well. I learned from a lot of YouTubers. I learned from a lot of pros from the New York Stock Exchange. So I surround myself with educated people in this market, and they've helped me along the way. So I just want to kind of give back to you guys and kind of let you know what I know. I'm definitely not an expert, but I'm really trying to be an expert, get certified in cryptocurrency, and be able to talk to anyone about investing. And basically, this is just my advice and my opinion. So don't take everything to heart. Take everything with a grain of salt and become financially free by diversifying in your own risk portfolios. And I hope you guys can learn something today that I'm giving you. So right here, you got the chart of Bitcoin every 7. So this is the zoom on the 7 days. So in 7 days, this is what the market looks like. So obviously it went up to 9,000 USD right here. Okay. Then a couple days later, it just kind of steadily goes down and down and down. There's a lot of people selling. So what this means is when the market goes down, there's a lot of selling going on, and the price of the coin are going down. So more people invest in the coin, the value of the coin will go up. Okay, so if you look at it in 7 days, that looks like it's going down, obviously. If you look at since the historical of May 13th or I'm sorry, May of 2013, price was just $100, and it went up to 600, then 300. Now there's a lot more money getting tossed into it. A lot of people are adopting it. People are figuring it out. Oh my gosh, there's so many people investing in it. It topped off at 18,737. And obviously it took some other big dips and it's steadily coming down, went back up, and it's kind of how it goes, guys. So looking long term here, I'm really excited about this opportunity. Let's just do 1 year. So in 1 year, we'll kind of see what it looks like. So topped off, I'm sorry, at 19,898. And I just want you guys to kind of see here something. I'm going to show you guys a little trick that if you base everything off Bitcoin, so right now it's at $7,110. If you base it off on Bitcoin, on these other altcoins, the same effect is going to happen. So if you see, do these charts look familiar to you? These top 5 charts, they look a lot similar to Bitcoin. Okay, so not exactly, but very, very similar. So obviously, if there's some news going around or people are freaking out about something, whatever, the price is going down, people take this opportunity to buy. So I suggest you buy in the red, and obviously you need to sell in the green. So it's really hard to not get greedy when it comes to the market, because when you see it in the green, you think it's going to stay in the green, but honestly, it will not stay in the green forever, guys. So you got to learn how to trade. Okay, you got to learn how to get in and get out, make some profit, and I want to help you guys be able to do that. So there's some really good YouTubers out there that have live charts that show you exactly how they do it. I'm going to do some tutorials on how to actually trade, but right here, let's just say I bought in at $7,941 per 1 Bitcoin, and it goes up to 8,000, a little bit over $8,100. I would most likely sell right there. I'd sell it, go back to my USD wallet. I'd wait a few days, like, okay, oh shoot, a big dip. It goes back down to, or not like a huge dip, but $100, $200. Get back in, okay, ride it out. Goes down a little bit, oh, lost some money. Then it goes back up again, sell out. Okay, you see it going down, you sell it back into USD, keep the US dollar amount, and then obviously we got some downturns right here. I'm not an expert when it comes to trading, but that's kind of basically the gist of things on how you would do it. But just get familiar with how to research each coin. So you'd go to this website right here to kind of look at what Bitcoin is. It'll show you a video of what it is, basically, the technology, blockchain, and how it got started, stuff like that. And these are how you would basically search any other coin. So if you like, oh, I think Litecoin is going to do really well, let's go to Litecoin. So you click on Litecoin, and you can go to their website. Its price is at $114 right now. It's down 13.35%. You'd go to the website, you'd check out the white paper if it was an ICO, and just check out their website and see what they're doing behind this coin. So Litecoin is doing really well. They're coming out with a payment system. They got really good wallets. They got some good videos. They got places for you to actually purchase things online, travel, some tech stuff. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on with Litecoin, and it's accepted through basically, every computer, phone, BlackBerry, and there's a lot of good stuff going on here. So I would invest in Litecoin, to be honest. Like, there's a lot going on with the CEO. They're accepted in multiple exchanges: GDAX, Binance, BTC China. Um, Altcoin, I mean, there's so much sites here, exchanges that's accepted with Litecoin. There's a lot of places already accepting it worldwide, and that right there is huge, guys. If companies are already adopting a coin, you need to get in on that coin because the price is going to start spiking up, and that's when you start making some money. So if you're just holding on to these coins, you don't have to trade. You just hold on to it. That's what the term called hodl means. Okay, so if you see someone or hear someone say, I'm on a hodl, meaning they're investing in this coin, a couple grand, or they just have one, whatever, just trying it out, and they see the price spike, usually there's something going on behind the scenes like this. Like people are accepting it, it's being worldwide, and this is how you do your research. You look up the news, updates, what's going on, Litecoin Core. There's a lot of software, hardware coming out, so that's really cool. And there's a lot of other stuff going on in the news. Definitely check that out on Twitter. Twitter's a great place. Reddit is also a good place to just research coins and seeing which ones you guys want to hold on to. You don't have to invest in all these coins. You just have to invest in a few coins to diversify your portfolio, and you guys have to be able to understand what these coins are doing in the world market, how much market cap is being traded with that coin, the price of that coin, and when to get in and buy. And it's very simple, guys. All you do is buy it through your Coinbase wallet. If you guys need help with your Coinbase wallet, let me know. I got some tutorials. But learning this is not going to be easy at first, but once you guys indulge into this a few times a day, one time a day for a good month or two, you're going to understand it because you're going to see it fluctuate. You're going to see it go up and down, and you're going to realize what's going on. You're going to know what's going on in the news, and I'm really excited for you guys. So if you guys need any help with cryptocurrency investing, I'll give you some good advice, but I'm definitely not a financial advisor. Definitely do not risk more than you're willing to lose or can afford to lose. Definitely come to me if you have any questions. Check me out on Telegram Messenger at CryptoBren. Comment and like the video. Share the video. Give this to your friends that don't really understand the market. I would love to talk to them one-on-one, but definitely just give them this video and go from there, guys. So if you got any questions, let me know. Hopefully this kind of cleared up some questions about the coin market cap, what this all means, and how you can research coins. If the coin is an accepted coin, if it's mineable, if you can mine the coin. There's a lot of tools here. You got social media. This is the place to go to on Reddit. What's going on, what's getting talked around about Bitcoin, the different markets, where Bitcoin is actually being traded. So obviously there's so many, wow, tons of them. Tons of exchanges being traded with Bitcoin right now. And that's what you want. So if you got some altcoins you want to be a part of, they usually got some special promotions going up here, discounts on these ads. So don't just think this is just spam. It's actually some pretty good ICO pickings. So hopefully this helped, guys. It wasn't really too in-depth. It's just a general overview of cryptocurrency market capitalization. Hopefully this video cleared up some questions. Let me know if you guys got any more questions, concerns, comments. Go ahead and leave them in the description. I'll comment right back. All right, guys. Take care.